sila na apat. Tingnan mo silang apat. May nagkukwento, may nagbubulungan, mag-asawa.
Okay, down the stage. On behalf of St. Michael Montessori
Ang mga negosyante ng St. Michael.
teachers and administrators, we would like to say thank you so much for all the parents who have been always very supportive in all our school activities.
Video.
Thank you for coming over and sharing your precious time with us and with your kids. The Tatay Tony is always with us, helping to put up our stage every time we have a program for engineering.